Hello guys, so today this is my present because I got high honors in my graduation. You can see that I'm wearing my uniform. So let's just open it already, guys. Okay, it fell. Okay, that's okay.
Wow! Labubu! Open it.
Daddy, get scissor.
Daddy, can you wait?
Kuya, get scissor.
Wait. I want to get the card. I got Hee.
Tingin?
So it's original.
Can I see?
So that's what's inside?
Nice. Okay.
Wait, there's those. Guys, don't eat this. It's just a part of it. Keep away from children.
Daddy, may
Do
doon,
not
gunting.
Kuya, did you see the scissor? Go get it.
Guys, I got this one, Hee.
Tingin?
What is
Ah.
he? Is that when you're laughing?
Hihi?
Hee.
Ah, hihi. Hihi ba yun? Oh, hehe.
Hee.
Hihi. Okay.
So it's a boy?
Hehe, sisi, dada. Kuku, baba, sisi. Okay.
Open the box. Open the plastic.
Kailangan niya nga ng scissor.
There.
Thanks. So now we're gonna be opening
Be careful.
it.
I think it's a pink one.
We need to open it like this, guys.
What do you guess?
What color? Oh my god. Ah! What's that? Who's that? Oh, the one. You want hihi?
Yeah.
The one who's sleeping.
Where's the other one?
Without the eyes. So it's this hihi without the eyes.
No, it's just closing there.
Tingnan, can I see? Show it to them. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Whoa, super kitty.
Ooh. And also the card is transparent, guys.
Wow, so. This is. Oh.
Even though I really wanted Dada, I also like Hee.
Like hihi.
Yeah.
The monster. Looks like you. So are you happy?
Yeah.
Hold it.
Even though I wanted Dada, I like
Patingin.
Hee.
Patingin. Can you see Dada? Yeah, I like Dada too. You get Hihi. Okay. I'll take a picture of you and Hihi.